we zijn een groot gezelschap. Oh, dat is geen probleem, zei Josje.
Čína. Ako sa vyrovnať s odlišnosťami USA?
Programs were mostly of high quality that were selected, and they were always screened on time, subtitled or
is not very good quality.
And we're meeting here at the awarding ceremony of the 17th International Television Festival of Programs for Children and Youth, Pre-Danube 2003. Budem to sumarizovať, pretože každý program bol iný, ale veľmi sa nám páči.
It shows that program makers can make programs about children, with children, and really for children.
Ak dovolíte, chcem veľmi pekne poďakovať celému tímu, pretože sme sa krásne hrali a dohrali sme sa až sem. A verím, že sa budeme hrať aj naďalej a spolu s nami všetky deti. Ďakujem.
Pre-Danube in the category of documentary, informative and magazine programs for children up to 10 years of age goes to Piece of Cake, Peanut Butter, the Netherlands.
Well, this is really a big honor for us because I think this program, this little program from Holland, usually there come big programs from Holland, this is a little program from Holland. 2 children cooking, 2 preschool children cooking.
Toto je pre nás veľká podsta, pretože zvyčajne z Holandska prichádzajú veľké programy, ale to je taký menší program, 2 deti tu varia.
But so joyfully, so much inspiration coming out of it, and I really have to thank the 2 people who actually made the programs.
Ale z tohto programu vychádza tak veľa radosti a tak by som chcel veľmi pekne poďakovať 2 ľuďom, ktorí vlastne tvoria tento program.
Director Wendel Kroon and animator Erik van Schaik.
Režisér a animátor, a mena nezopakujem.
And just one last thing, it is, I think the program shows that with dedicated people that get a chance to develop, you can make beautiful programs, not only with big budgets.
A tento program, myslím, dokazuje, že ak sú ľudia naozaj odovzdaní svojej práci, potom aj s nízkym rozpočtom sa dajú robiť nádherné programy. Ďakujem.